guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AnnAnn Lmtr and this is the clean girl makeup look that I did today. So if you guys interested in this video, makeup tutorial, please enjoy and I hope you guys like it. This is the foundation brush that I use. Rare Beauty lip gloss are my favorite. My lips are hydrated and don't forget to drink water. Now I'm using Moisture Infusion Serum Hydrated Amazing Primer. I'm gonna spread from the center of my face. And don't forget to use sun cream. I'm just spreading. My boyfriend jokes to me. I'm using Amazing Foundation. Laura Mercier is my all-time favorite. Unfortunately, they don't have any stock left in the showroom. This is Amazing Foundation. It's lightweighted and it's matte finish. You can blend either sponge or brush. But start from the centers of your face. I use sponge to make it faster. This is Amazing Pro palette and it's really good to use. I don't use a lot of concealer in one place. I use it where I need and where I want to highlight. I'm blending with a brush and to the nose, and I use sponge. With a glossy lips, I use the same palette to contour my face. Same thing, I blend with brush. I'm using Amazing Transparent Powder. I use Amazing Brow Styler. SMA Brow Palette. Applying eye base. Spread it out. Blend it with hands. I'm using the powder to set my eyelids. I'm using the fluffy medium size brush. I'm using peach colors. I'm using the same color for drop shadow. I always start my eyeliner from the corner of my eye and using the gel type. Eyeliner pencils are also good, but I used to do with brush. I highlight around the eyes area with a thin fluffy brush. Mascara from Laura. I'm doing my single lashes patiently. Lift it up and then stick with your original lashes. I'm so bored to do those single lashes, but it's really cool, guys. Lashes from Mario Eyeshadow Palette. Ta-da! Seriously, I'm a mole lover. I hope you guys like